Please call Main Care Energy for hot water heater repair at 800-542-5552, serving the entire Albany, New York region. Our 24-hour service that never sleeps. We provide peace of mind knowing we are open 24 hours, 7 days a week, even on holidays. Whether your hot water heater needs repair or needs to be replaced, Main Care Energy will restore service for you as quickly as possible. Main Care Energy, employee-owned and dedicated to providing quality service to our customers since 1931. For all your hot water heater, furnace, fuel, and service repair, please call us today at 800-542-5552. We also offer fuel payment plans and competitive pricing with our Price Protection Program. Please call Main Care Energy today at 800-542-5552.